Today, we're diving into 3 SUVs you should absolutely avoid in 2025, and then revealing 4 SUVs that are smart, safe, and reliable choices you'll be proud to own for years to come. Whether you're after luxury, practicality, or long-term dependability, this guide has you covered. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump right into it. SUV to avoid. 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2025. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has long been admired for its rugged charm, off-road capabilities, and refined design. But in 2025, it's showing signs that it might not be the best SUV to bet your money on. While it looks the part of a luxury off-roader and is packed with tech, several warning flags make it one to avoid for reliability-conscious buyers. The biggest red flag? Its track record. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power have both consistently rated the Grand Cherokee below average in terms of long-term dependability. Owners have complained about issues with the vehicle's electrical system, infotainment glitches, and unpredictable engine behavior. Repair frequency tends to increase significantly after just a couple of years, especially in models with more advanced trim packages. Transmission issues and warning light malfunctions are also commonly cited. Jeep has been pushing to make the Grand Cherokee more premium in recent years, but in doing so, it seems like they've also introduced more complexity, and with it, more potential for things to go wrong. Features like the Uconnect system, which is supposed to make driving more convenient, have been plagued with software hiccups and slow response times. That's a problem when you're paying luxury-level prices. Even worse, the depreciation curve on the Grand Cherokee isn't favorable. Because of its mixed reputation for reliability, resale values tend to dip faster than Japanese competitors. If you're planning to own this SUV long-term, 2. Volkswagen ID. 4. 2025. Volkswagen entered the electric SUV game with high hopes and a bold claim: the ID. 4 would bring German engineering into the EV era at a reasonable price. While the 2025 Volkswagen ID. 4 offers decent range, stylish looks, and an environmentally friendly approach, several critical issues have emerged, making this model more of a cautionary tale than a top pick. One of the most glaring problems has been its below-average reliability. J.D. Power gives the ID. 4 a middling score in quality and dependability, and real-world owners echo those concerns. The biggest culprits are the software and electronics. VW's proprietary infotainment system, which aims to rival Tesla's seamless UI, has instead become infamous for being buggy, laggy, and overly complicated. In an age where digital experience defines modern cars, the ID. 4 simply doesn't hold up. Beyond the tech troubles, there are also reports of build quality issues. Uneven panel gaps, rattling noises, and premature wear on interior materials are common complaints. For a car marketed as a premium-ish EV, this lack of attention to detail is disappointing. The ride quality, though comfortable in most scenarios, can also feel disconnected, likely due to inconsistent regenerative braking and stiff suspension tuning. Furthermore, the ID.4's charging speed lags behind many of its rivals. It takes longer to top up at fast charging stations compared to Tesla or Hyundai EVs, which makes road tripping a less appealing experience. To be fair, the ID.4 isn't all bad. It's reasonably priced for an electric SUV and offers good safety scores. But when you're investing in a vehicle meant to last years, the long-term ownership experience matters, and right now, the ID.4 isn't delivering the confidence many buyers expect. 3. Land Rover Discovery, 2025. Luxury and capability have always been the twin pillars of the Land Rover Discovery's appeal. In 2025, that promise still holds, at least on paper. But the reality is more complicated. This SUV has become known not only for its off-road prowess, but also for being one of the most maintenance-heavy vehicles in its class. First off, reliability continues to be a major Achilles heel. Industry reports and owner reviews reveal a troubling trend: engine overheating, electrical failures, software bugs, and more frequent than average service needs. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're costly and often require specialized labor, making repairs expensive and time-consuming. Then, there's the issue of build quality. You'd expect a luxury SUV to be impeccably finished inside and out, but Discovery often falls short. Owners have noted rattles, peeling trim, and malfunctioning buttons or screens, things you wouldn't tolerate on a $20,000 car, let alone one that costs twice as much. Land Rover has made strides in tech, but the software powering their infotainment and driver assist features is still less stable than competitors like BMW or Lexus. In terms of driving experience, the Discovery is hit or miss. It feels solid and capable on rough terrain, but in everyday city driving or highway cruising, it doesn't deliver the smoothness or precision you'd want from a luxury SUV. The fuel economy also lags behind other full-size SUVs, which adds to the total cost of ownership over time. 4 SUVs you should consider buying in 2025. 1. Toyota Highlander, 2025. If you're after an SUV that blends family-friendly features with rock-solid dependability, the 2025 Toyota Highlander should be high on your list. Known for its bulletproof reliability and strong resale value, the Highlander continues to be a leader in the mid-size SUV segment. What makes it a top pick this year? First, Toyota's engineering has made this SUV one of the most worry-free vehicles to own. According to J.D. Power, it scores an impressive 81 out of 100 for reliability, and it's frequently recommended by Consumer Reports. That kind of consistency is rare in today's tech-heavy SUV market, where complicated features often introduce new problems. Under the hood, the Highlander offers both gasoline and hybrid powertrains. The hybrid model, in particular, is a standout, delivering great fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Whether you're driving through the suburbs or heading out on a road trip, the Highlander handles comfortably and efficiently. It also boasts an available all-wheel drive system, giving it the versatility to tackle different weather conditions with ease. Inside, you'll find a spacious and quiet cabin with room for up to 8 passengers. Toyota's infotainment system is intuitive and quick, and the vehicle comes loaded with standard safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. It doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Another huge plus? Resale value. The Highlander holds its value exceptionally well, meaning you'll get a solid return if you decide to sell or trade it in down the road. 2. Honda CR-V, 2025. When it comes to compact SUVs, the 2025 Honda CR-V continues to stand out as one of the most dependable and well-rounded options on the market. Honda's reputation for durability and build quality is alive and well in this latest model, making it a smart choice for drivers who want a long-lasting vehicle without breaking the bank. First and foremost, the CR-V shines in practicality. Its spacious interior punches above its weight class, offering ample cargo space and a back seat, roomy enough for adult passengers to sit comfortably. Families, commuters, and outdoor adventurers all appreciate the versatile layout, which is made even better by clever storage compartments and wide rear doors for easy access. The 2025 model is available in both standard gasoline and hybrid versions. The hybrid powertrain, in particular, is a major win, providing up to 40 mpg in city driving, while still offering smooth acceleration and confident handling. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating a tight parking lot, the CR-V feels agile and composed. It's not a performance SUV, but it doesn't need to be. It delivers where it matters most: day-to-day comfort and efficiency. On the tech front, Honda's latest infotainment system is more user-friendly than ever, featuring a responsive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an optional digital driver display. You also get Honda Sensing Standard across all trims, which includes safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. In short, you don't have to splurge on a higher trim to get the full suite of driver assistance features. 3. Lexus RX 2025. If you're looking for luxury without sacrificing reliability, the 2025 Lexus RX is hands down one of the best SUVs to consider. For years, Lexus has maintained a sterling reputation for building vehicles that deliver comfort, performance, and unmatched dependability, and the RX is the poster child of that philosophy. The new RX continues this legacy with a refreshed design that blends sophistication with a bold, aggressive stance. It's stylish, but not showy, making it a perfect choice for those who want luxury that feels timeless. Inside, it's all about refinement. High-quality materials, excellent fit and finish, and whisper-quiet insulation create a serene environment that rivals more expensive European competitors. Under the hood, the 2025 RX comes with multiple powertrain options, a fuel-efficient hybrid, a sporty turbocharged gas engine, and even a plug-in hybrid variant. The RX 500hf Sport Performance trim adds extra flair with a more engaging drive and upgraded suspension. No matter which version you choose, the RX delivers a smooth, composed ride that makes every journey feel first class. But where the RX really shines is in its long-term value. Unlike many luxury vehicles, the Lexus RX is built to last and backed by Toyota's world-renowned engineering. It consistently ranks at the top of reliability surveys from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, with owners praising its low maintenance costs and trouble-free ownership experience. The 2025 model also brings advanced tech to the table, including a new touchscreen interface, standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an optional 21-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, and a robust suite of safety features under Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and proactive driver assistance make it feel futuristic without being overly complicated. 4. Hyundai Palisade 2025. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade proves that you don't need a luxury badge to get a premium SUV experience. With its upscale styling, 3-row versatility, and strong feature set, the Palisade is one of the smartest SUV purchases of the year, especially for growing families or anyone looking for comfort, technology, and value in one solid package. From the outside, the Palisade looks bold and modern with a design that competes toe-to-toe with much more expensive rivals. Inside, it's equally impressive. The cabin is exceptionally well appointed, featuring quilted leather seats, soft-touch materials, and thoughtful details throughout. Even base models feel premium, and the top calligraphy trim genuinely feels like something out of a luxury showroom. But the Palisade isn't just a pretty face, it's incredibly practical. With seating for up to 8, plenty of legroom in all 3 rows, and excellent cargo capacity, it's a true family hauler. The 3rd row is even comfortable for adults, which isn't something you can say for most mid-size SUVs. There are also smart extras like USB ports in every row, available ventilated 2nd-row seats, and a conversation mirror that helps you keep tabs on the kids. Performance-wise, the Palisade comes with a smooth V6 engine that delivers plenty of power for everyday driving, highway cruising, and even light towing. Ride quality is top-notch thanks to a refined suspension setup, and the cabin stays quiet even at higher speeds. So, which SUV are you thinking about picking up or avoiding like the plague in 2025? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart car buying tips, reviews, and updates on the latest models hitting the road. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep it locked right here for everything automotive. Catch you in the next one.